Blackhead Removal Facial Deep Cleansing Transformation. Clear skin results. Blackheads can make the skin look dull, uneven, and rough. In today's video, we are performing a blackhead removal facial combined with a deep cleansing transformation. This treatment focuses on removing impurities from the pores and restoring a smoother, healthier appearance. Stay until the end to see the satisfying transformation and final results. What is a blackhead removal facial? A blackhead removal facial is a skincare treatment designed to clean the pores and remove clogged impurities. Over time, oil and dead skin cells build up inside the pores, leading to blackheads and uneven skin texture. This facial focuses on deep cleansing and extraction to improve skin clarity. Deep cleansing process. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. This step removes surface dirt and prepares the skin for deeper treatment. After cleansing, steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup. This preparation step makes extraction easier and safer. Blackhead extraction. Using professional extraction tools, blackheads are carefully removed from the pores. Each extraction is done slowly to avoid irritation. As the pores are cleaned, the skin begins to look smoother and clearer. This is the most satisfying part of the treatment. Skin soothing treatment. After extraction, soothing products are applied to calm the skin. Hydrating serums and masks help restore moisture and reduce redness. This step is important for maintaining healthy skin. Final transformation. After the deep cleansing facial, the skin appears cleaner and more refreshed. The pores are visibly clearer, and the skin looks smoother and brighter. Regular treatments can help maintain these results.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.